invited Aurora?
Yeah! Do you know what she does? She's never been to a all-girls sleepover.
Well, she's standing outside the door right now.
Go get her! Come in. Come on in.
Hello, what are we listening to?
This is
Just
Justin Bieber. Yeah, do you not?
Why is everything pink?
Because it's an all-girls sleepover.
Why aren't you wearing anything pink?
Yeah, here, we have some stuff.
I'm
We
kidding.
can't, let's
No,
get it.
no,
Yeah.
No, it's really...
Okay, so we have many different colors, but
It's okay.
no.
No, I really am comfortable in what I'm wearing.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm great.
No.
We have all this
Oh
stuff.
my gosh, we have bows.
Oh my
Yes.
god, yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay.
And I have
Why don't you guys just all sit down?
So did you bring your sleepover stuff? Oh yeah!
Like, blankets and...
No, like,
No,
yeah,
like
you're
bedding. Where are you gonna sleep? Like,
the bear one.
yeah! You couldn't forget your stuffed animals. No.
It's alright, we have extra. We have extra.
Here you go.
Yeah, my bedding's right over here.
Okay, bring
What?
it here, right here.
What's that you have?
Yeah, it's okay. Why is it? Oh,
It's kind of black.
Yeah.
It's alright.
Oh.
First time. Okay. First time jitters.
yeah. Wait, where'd your stuffed animals go?
It's
No,
right
no, I don't.
It's right
What you guys want to do?
What do you guys usually do at sleepover?
Well, we paint our nails and...
Do truth or dare?
Yeah! Yes!
We have. So I heard of this new game, and everyone's been playing it.
What is it?
Called What Are the Odds?
Oh, I've heard of that.
Yeah, that seems fun.
Do you want to play?
Yeah, let's try
Yeah,
it. Play.
Ooh.
Sure.
Okay, so me and Aurora will play, and you guys can watch the first time. Move.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, so what are the odds you paint your nails blue?
So bad! So bad!
Oh,
They're blue. Okay.
we have pink.
I'm okay. I like blue.
Oh.
And black.
That's
Interesting.
Why do we not do
I
that?
like black because it's like so. I have a better one.
Yeah.
Okay. What are the odds we take some edibles?
Oh, like some food?
I have
Oh, yeah!
Oh my gosh, I brought so much.
Candy.
Oh my god, yes.
What do you
Yeah.
think? It's like candy.
Oh,
They're gummy bears.
wait.
Those are like.
What?
What are those?
What's the white thing?
No, put that away. What is that?
Yeah, we
well,
don't
these
want
are-
that. These are edibles. They're marijuana in them.
No!
No!
And these are acid tablets.
No!
No
way! Aurora!
No way.
You guys.
You didn't bring a druggie.
I didn't know she was bringing that! I thought she
You
was
invited
bringing
a
a
druggie.
You'll just make me really happy. You'll just be really happy.
No,
It's fine.
No, it's really, but it's not really fine.
We should paint our
No,
nails.
Don't do that!
Aurora, those are so bad.
You can't do that.
No, do you
What
know
are the
that
odds?
stays in
What
your
are the
system?
odds? You guys just take one.
No.
That's
No, it's
still
so bad.
still.
It's not bad. It'll be out of your system within a month.
Wait, they got
What?
Just
Just
got
what
drug
are the odds? You're not gonna get drug tested. No one will suspect you guys did it. Come on.
I know.
It's everyone's. It's cool. It's fine. I wouldn't.
It's one of.
What are the odds? What are the odds?
We have to. That's how the
now.
Okay, who do you want to do it?
You, Caitlin. What are the odds? You take one.
It's okay.
It is-
No,
it is-
it's okay to me.
Why? Because you'll just be happy. We'll have so much fun.
No.
It'll just be a great. We'll just have a
I'll
great
do
time.
it.
Okay, 1 in 100.
One
Yeah,
one
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
69. Oh.
You have to do it.
Oh my god!
That's the game.
No.
That's the game. You guys agreed to play the game.
No, she can't do
She
this.
said the same number.
Just
It's
one,
not- it's
right?
good.
Just one.
Just one. Just one.
Just one.
You'll be fine.
Am I gonna die?
No,
You
just
might.
eat it. She's not
Tell
gonna
my
die.
family I love them.
Oh my gosh.
What does it that bad.
Really?
See, you guys will feel great.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
What are the white things?
These are acid tablets.
What's that?
You just put it on your tongue like this, and you just feel good in a little bit.
Yeah, what does it do to you?
Um,
I don't feel these kicking in.
Yeah.
Here, nothing.
Amber,
I don't know.
you guys, it's fine.
Let's do it together.
Okay, okay.
Fine.
I think they were all doing the
She
same.
had one, so she's not
Don't
dying.
swallow that.
Don't swallow.
Will they
Throw
kill
it in
you?
your tongue. No.
Does it like dissolve?
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
You wait.
Okay, so
You guys feeling it?
Yeah!
Guys, let's take some more. Okay.
No! Okay. Ow!
You guys want some more edibles?
Yeah!
Guys, let's go on an adventure. Go to the park. Let's go. Guys, oh my God. We're gonna get hit by Guys, who's driving? Get in the car! Get in! I know! Oh my gosh, we almost died. Oh, I know. Look.
Don't you forget about me. Don't you forget about me. 'Cause you won't come by.
Girls, it's 10 in the morning. What?
Where's Aurora? What happened?
What happened last night?
I don't remember.
I don't
Wait,
remember, like,
check your
anything.
phone, sweetie.
Oh, yeah.
Wait,
What?
where'd they go?
They were right there last
We were
night.
right. What the heck?
Oh. You know what? I
What?
bet you she took them.
No.
Yeah,
No, she
she
wouldn't.
drugged us. Oh, my phone!
Oh my God.
I can't believe we did
I
that.
know.
That
Why
wasn't
did we
worth
do
it.
that?
Never again.
Never
We're
again.
not
Don't
talking
talk
about this.
about it ever
No one
again.
at school can ever
Ever
know we
no.
did
No,
this.
no. Guys, but let's just.
Dance it out!
First, let me hop out the muff. Porsche, I don't want it if that air don't sit like a horse. I be ballin' on this. Got me feeling like sports. Dash got so much wood, I could build me a fort. Ain't too many things I ain't done yet. I'm the king of this shit. Crowned by the toilet, I'm just barely getting started. You already up.
Although our video was made to be funny, thousands of people die every year from drug overdoses. Drugs should definitely not be taken lightly.
More teens die from prescription drugs than heroin or cocaine combined. An estimated 208 million people internationally consume illegal drugs.
Drugs such as LSD can cause strong hallucinations, impaired depth perception, and panic attacks, which can lead to suicide.
By the 8th grade, 28% of adolescents have consumed alcohol, 15% have smoked cigarettes, and 16.5% have used marijuana. Oh, that would have sucked.
Although our video was made to be funny, thousands of people die from drug overdoses every year. Be taken lightly.
Why? You guys, we cannot think of a dead puppy. Go on an adventure.
No, more.
More teens die from prescription drugs than heroin or
I feel nothing.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey Jamie, nice selfie. Now let's go.
oh, my back.